Good day, everyone. We're working out these multiple choice past paper CSEC mathematics questions. Number one, we have two vectors here. P is 3, 7 and Q is negative 2, 5. And we are asked to find the vector P subtract Q. So let's do that. So we have P subtract Q being equal to 3, 7. We are now substituting subtract negative 2, 5. Because Q is negative 2, 5. So that will be 3 subtract negative 2 over 7 subtract 5. But subtract negative would give a positive. So we have 3 plus 2 over 7, take away 5 is 2. And that gives 3 plus 2 is 5, 2. And that answer is C. Let's move on to number 2. We have a parallelogram of vectors. And we are asked to find the vector EG expressed in terms of K and M. So to get from E to G, this vector EG, you can draw a line, and in order to get from E to G, what we do is we can go down this road EH, so we can say EG is equal to EH. So we go down to EH, and then from H we move to G, so we plus HG. So that will take us from point E to point G. So we now express EH in terms of M or K. So EH is common M. HG is the same as EF for a parallelogram, so this will also be common K. So answer is M plus K, and if we look at part A, another way to write M plus K is K plus M. And so our answer is A for number 2. Let's move on to number 3. We have angles and lines. We have the diagram PQ and RS are parallel lines, straight lines. Which of the following best describes the relationship between P and Q? So this is angle P and angle Q. These are alternate angles. And alternate angles are equal, so therefore P is equal to Q. Okay, let's look at number 4 now. We have a translation of our line segment AB to A prime B prime. So in the diagram, the translation by which AB is mapped onto A prime B prime is, so from B we went 2 to the right and 1 up. Okay, we went 2 to the right and 1 up. So we have 5, 7 plus 2, 1. Okay, and that gives 7, 8. Since 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so the answer is, this is our translation vector T, 2, 1. Our answer is B. Remember, we went 2 to the right and we went 1 unit up. So 2 units to the right and 1 unit up, right? To move from AB to A prime B prime. Okay, so thanks for watching. These are our answers. Have a very safe and productive day.